Okay, so this is my quest manager tool that I've been working on. Alright, so when you start the level and the boolean says that the level has a quest, it will throw some warnings that the level quest type has not been selected. And if nothing is put, for the level quest, if it's false, it's not going to show the quest objectives for the level. So, the exterminate quest specific is thus. Oh dear. That is weird. I don't know why it's doing that all of a sudden. Oh. I know why. I haven't selected that the level has a quest. Okay. And I should make an error throw for that, but that's already an error. Alright, so now it says that to exterminate the enemy, these red balloons, they are the enemy. So now, the number of them is depleting as I'm going through it. Later, I'm going to make a raycast interact that when you look at it, and it has a specific layer, they will be destroyed by pressing the right trigger. I mean, left mouse button. So, yes, when all of the enemies are depleted, it's equal to 0. It will display a specific saying, all the enemies have been destroyed. Good job, Ball Hunter. Alright, so the next is the fetch. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just go to the specified object and find it. Well, not find it, but go to it to essentially pick it up. That's going to be switched to a press E in the trigger volume, and it will be able to be picked up. The other one is simply fetch, but with the atom of return it to a specific location. So, if I go to this arcane conduit here, since it says not found, but I'm going to change that to not grabbed. You grab it, you go deposit it over here, and this will then be a something a little bit more, but once you go into the trigger, since it's been hit that it's true and that it's grabbed, since you go over here, it's gonna essentially call is in return area to true, and then, yes, it will say deposit it. Going to the point is simply the same thing, except there's no need to fetch an object. So simply go to extract. So that uses the same script, except if I have it set to where if the quest specific is specifically to the point, it's going to say go to the extract, you have reached the point. However, if it's the fetch and return, it's just going to say it's deposited. But that both of those are in the same script. It's just that's separate from the quest manager, which is right here. It is simply this. The money collected script simply calls to the player statistics script over here, and that's how the currency is gotten. And honestly, that's it for right now. I am slowly working on the follow. That's going to be a simple lerp. It's going to know where the player's location is, and then it's going to do a lerp on the object that it needs to be followed, which means I already know how to do the AI, I just need to make the nodes and have it go to the specific points. But honestly, I don't think that's something that I want to do for a simple personal project. But yeah, that's that. Thank you for watching.